All right, guys, doing Pete Townsend today. Let my love open the door. Let's take a look at this keyboard part here at the beginning. And so forth. I gave it my best shot there. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All the lessons for the whole song are on my website. I usually have it written up here, but it's webpianoteacher.com. Works on all your phones, your mobile devices, your iPads, your laptop computers, whatever you're wanting to learn on. And I have thousands of lessons on the site, even complete beginner lessons if you are a complete beginner or need a refresher course. It's been a while, or if you just need to get used to my method. But I do teach by ear using chords and letters on the whiteboard. But let's get started. I have layered here a vibraphone and a pipe organ on my little Casio Privia from years and years ago that I bought that I still love. And it just kind of gives us sort of the sound of what's going on. Not exactly, but pretty close. The hard thing in this will be the fingering, what to do on this, and we'll look at some different ideas to do. You can let the left hand help out a lot of it, but let's start with C, D, G in the left hand. Here's middle C, so here's the next C down. We're going to go C, D, G, and although you don't hold any notes, I was kind of holding. I just kind of like to have some bass in there where I'm playing all those higher notes, but really you don't hold anything. Okay, so C, D, G, and then C, D, E, C in the right hand. So left, you can let your left hand play that C so that the right hand can play G, C, D, E, and then you can let the left hand play this C. So you go C, and then G, C, D. Now come under with your thumb for the E. F sharp, G, C, G, F sharp, E, D, C. So let's go that far from here to here and see if we can get the fingering down. Because you don't want to make it difficult doing a bad fingering. You don't want that to be what makes it hard. It's hard enough already. So use some good fingerings here. Left, left. And then I would let the left hand play the G, C. And then the right hand does C, G, E, C. And the left hand can go G, C. Right here. So you play that G, C, and then you play that G, C. And then right hand G, E, C, A. And then the left hand can go G, C. See if that works. Start from the beginning. Right, left, left. Left, right, left, right. So I let my left hand play G, G, C, G, A. That works pretty good. And no, I didn't play it that way when I first did it. I was just flying by the seat of my pants trying to get it done. But those fingerings, letting the left hand help out here and there, but letting the right hand play most of it will work for you, even if you don't do it exactly the way I'm doing it. Let's try again. Whoops. Then we go C, D, G, C. So C, D, G, then let your left hand play this C. So letting your left hand play 1 or 2 notes here or there allows your right hand to get in position for the next part. So C, then right hand G, A, D. Let's see. Oh, let's see. I'd actually let your left hand play the C and the G. Then your right hand can go A, D, G. And then left hand C right there. And then right hand G, A, C, E, C, A, G. Yeah, that'll work. So, and then here you can go left on that first C. And then the right hand goes C, A, G, left, C, right hand G, and then A, G in the left. I think that'll finish it on up for you. Let's try the whole thing slowly. so this intro is tough. It's the toughest part of the whole song. So don't let it ruin it for you. If you want to just learn the rest of it and play the chords, great. But if you want to tackle this, I kind of messed up at the end. And of course it goes a little faster than that. Anyway, so there it is if you want to get it down really pat. The key to it is deciding on what fingering you want to do and which hand you want to play where. Mark up your page the way you want and then stick with it, and that's how you learn it, muscle memory. And that muscle memory will kick in once you have it, and it'll be a piece of cake by the time your fingers memorize what you want, what you're asking them to do. Okay, so there's the part one. Hope you guys enjoyed it and are challenged to learn that first part. Or maybe you just want to go to the website and learn the rest of it and play the chords. That'll be fine too. Hope you guys had fun. Talk to you later.